Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and I love all things crafty. Today I'm going to show you all the techniques in making a large clay pot. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need clay tools, rolling pin, 2 packs of clay, a compass, scissors, impression mats, acrylic paint, paintbrushes, decoupage medium, length of string or yarn, a small pot of water, pencil, tape measure or ruler, greaseproof paper and a drying rack. First, make sure the surface that you are working on can be easily wiped clean. We start by measuring out a template for the base of your pot. Next, work out the length that you need to make the slab of clay reach around the circumference of the base. To do this, you'll need to multiply the diameter of the base of your pot by 3.14. For a 13cm pot, this is roughly 41 centimetres. Half this and measure a compass to size. For a 13cm pot, measure to 6.5 centimetres. For a 13cm pot, you will need approximately 2 kilos of air drying clay. Use the compass to draw a circle out of a piece of paper or card and cut it out. Then measure a piece of string or yarn to 41 centimetres and use it as a measure. Next, roll out roughly 1/3 of the clay until it's around 2 centimetres thick. Place the template on top and use a blunt knife or wooden clay tool to cut around the excess clay. Roll out the rest of the clay lengthways until it is roughly 2 centimetres thick. This should be the length of your piece of string, and the width is the depth of your pot. Create a series of marks along one edge of the length of clay. Turn the clay over, smooth it out, then add desired texture to the clay, using the spots or the diamonds. Create a series of marks around the edge of the base. This will help the clay stick together. Transfer the base to some greaseproof paper. This will make it easier to move the pot around. Add a small amount of water along the marks. Be careful how much water you can add. Too much can cause the clay to crack when drying. Take the slab and carefully wrap it around the base of the pot. This step can be quite tricky, so be patient and trim off any length that is not required. Join the slab at either end by using a tool to blend the clay from either side. Join the base of the pot to the side piece, blending the clay together on the inside and outside with your hands or a tool. Straighten out the pot using both hands. Now join the base from the inside. You can slide the pot off the edge of the table to make sealing the base easier, leaving this to dry. Drying times will depend on ventilation and the heat of a room, normally around 5 to 7 days to dry completely. Once dry, use the sandpaper to even out any edges and remove any glaring imperfections. The pot may be a little wonky, but this is part of its charm. Next, remove any dust with a dry cloth. Paint in desired colours. Then leave to dry. Once dry, paint with a layer of decoupage medium, inside and out, to glaze the pot. Then leave this to dry. Once dry, your pot is ready to be used.